Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company HODINKEE. They're looking for a digital marketing manager. It pays up to $77,500 a year. HODINKEE is a fast-growing media brand and shop that makes watches accessible to everyone. Over the past decade, founder Ben Clymer has grown HODINKEE into a thriving company of creatives. Our team now consists of writers, editors, designers, photographers, podcasters, engineers, and so many other key players who cement HODINKEE's position as the most trusted source for watch news and products. We have a website, an app, a podcast, a magazine, a retail business, and more. HODINKEE's goal is to bring readers and consumers the best in wristwatches in a way that's approachable, authentic, honest, and fun. What you'll do, the brand media paid SR associate will be responsible for managing paid media campaigns with a strong focus on digital marketing. The ideal candidate will understand all brand and content media platforms and work closely with the agency to manage spend, optimize campaigns, and report on performance to deliver defined business goals. Reporting to the Director of Digital Media, the brand media paid associate will integrate cross-functionally, regularly liaise within the digital media team, as well as the wider marketing function and business organization. In this role, you will help define and manage the strategy and execution of brand media and paid social campaigns across Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and other partner networks, manage spend allocation, campaign framework and requirements, optimization, as well as performance tracking and reporting to ensure campaigns deliver on defined engagement and traffic goals. Brief and collaborate with HODINKEE creative, marketing, and editorial teams to concept, create, launch and optimize ongoing brand media, including but not limited to paid social campaigns. Project manage campaigns from end to end, ensuring proper lead times for planning, briefing, asset delivery, execution, and recapping. Ensure that paid social, paid search campaigns reflect brand and marketing priorities and support key business initiatives, for example, launches, top-tier projects, etc. Work closely with Director of Digital to ensure that brand media strategies facilitate and ladder up to overall marketing objectives. Work closely with agency to stay up to date on new and innovative paid media executions, targeting capabilities, programmatic and personalization to drive improvement across media channels. Develop and deploy always-on remarketing strategy for social and display with a laser focus on relevancy and ROI. Define and orchestrate the many ways HODINKEE can leverage content for media purposes. Embrace a test and learn approach to experiment and gain key learnings. Define delivery and performance benchmarks. Work collaboratively with the entire marketing team to leverage learnings from other channels. Audience segmentation work and ensure key marketing initiatives are supported by brand media and paid social, paid search campaigns. Review weekly and monthly reports to assess and optimize performance. Provide recommendations to Senior Director of Digital Media and communicate key performance updates and insights to SVP Marketing and CMO. Provide strategic direction and insights to the creative team to develop assets toolkits specifically for brand media campaigns that successfully deliver on brand objectives. Who you are: collaborative team player, detail-oriented and strong communicator, analytical and creative, experience liaising with creative and content teams, deep understanding of paid media mix, media buying, campaign management and optimization strategies both real-time and long-term. Within multiple ad management platforms X, Facebook Ads Manager, YouTube Ads, Google Ads for GDN, etc. Proven track record on brand media campaigns that achieve brand and business goals. Experience and confidence presenting data-supported recommendations to all levels of management. Stay current on media trends and changing landscape. Skills and experience: 5+ years of brand, SEO, paid search, and social media marketing. Experience with ad management platforms and detailed reporting against engagement metrics. Experience working cross-functionally within an organization. Hands-on experience working directly with publishers as external partners. E-commerce experience preferred. Candidates must possess authorization to work in the U.S. HODINKEE is proud to be an equal employment opportunity employer. We're committed to a diverse and inclusive workplace and strongly encourage applicants from all backgrounds and walks of life. Job type: Full-time pay up to $77,500 per year. Schedule 8-hour shift. Experience marketing 3 years preferred. Digital marketing occupations 3 years preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.